Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. You need developer options enabled. Tap build number 7 times in Settings About. Once done, make sure you've backed up photos and contacts because unlocking may erase data. Also verify your carrier or manufacturer allows bootloader unlock on your specific model. This prevents surprises later. Then go into developer options and locate the OEM unlocking toggle so you're ready to flip it in the next stage. You now enable OEM unlocking and perform the key verification steps. Flip the OEM unlocking toggle in developer options and accept the warning. This authorizes the bootloader change. Once you enable it, make sure USB debugging is on so you can connect to a PC. Then reboot into the bootloader using power and volume keys or the ADB command. On your computer, run fastboot OEM device info or fastboot flashing unlock. To confirm the device is unlockable, you finish by performing the unlock and handling common failures. With the bootloader confirmed unlockable, run fastboot flashing unlock from your PC and then confirm the prompt on the device. This triggers a factory reset. After it reboots, complete Android setup and restore your backup. If the bootloader refuses to unlock, make sure you use the latest fastboot binary and device drivers, revoke and reauthorize ADB keys, and retry. If errors persist, check the manufacturer's unlock policy and repeat the sequence carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.